Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings. We also do product hauls, product reviews. We do mystery boxes. We do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and product reviews and that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And y'all, don't forget, we do have an active giveaway going on right now. It is for the Glamour Jewelry Box, and it does end on December 10th. So enter if you have not already. The link will be in the description box below. But if you clicked, you're probably wondering why I was holding up a bunch of bread. I'm going to tell you. So first, I want to say thank you so very much to Bakerly. They sent me a box full of yummy bread, brioche bread at that, to try and share with you guys. So they literally have a website where you can go and you can get all kinds of different like French pastry type crepes and ready-made pancakes, but they have it's all brioche, y'all, and it's phenomenal. What I wanted to do with this video is a little different than most, because typically getting something like bread is a little different. I mean, I can look at it and tell you and all of that, but we actually tried some of the products before the video, so I can give you a little bit of feedback. And y'all, the bread is fantastic. First of all, when I first opened the box, and I saved this on purpose, it had this cute tissue paper with like the little like guy with the beret, and then just, I don't know, the wheat, the farm, where they grow the bread, and the happy faces and hearts, because you can't help but have happy faces and hearts after you have tried some of these products. So I'm going to try and show you everything that I got. But y'all, they sent me so much. And the aroma coming out of this box right now, if you've ever walked into like a bakery, especially one where they are making bread and it's just that fresh bread, just amazing, yummy, just goodness, that's what I'm smelling right now with this box. Because y'all, this box is huge. They sent so much. So again, a huge thank you to Bakerly for sending this for review. I greatly appreciate it. Christopher has been very excited with the pancakes, the crepes. And y'all, it's just, we're going to get into it so I can show you what all they sent. So first thing they sent were some soft brioche baguettes right here. There's 4 of them. Everything is brioche. I'll put a link down below if you want to check them out. They sent some hamburger buns and some hot dog buns. They sent some brioche rolls. To me, these are almost like sub rolls. They sent hand braided brioche, sliced brioche, so you make sandwiches. And then I tried one of these so I could tell you guys, because I just, couldn't resist a brioche dinner roll, and oh my goodness, it was just so like buttery and soft and just delicious. And oh, y'all, I just can't. I mean, I love brioche to begin with, but this is just next level. And to have it delivered is amazing. So, I'm trying to show you like all the main bread first before we get into like the snacky type stuff, which is pretty much where we're at. So that's everything they sent that was along the lines of regular bread type items, like hamburger buns, hot dog buns, sliced bread, sub rolls, dinner rolls, things like that. Now we're going to get into like the really good stuff. All right, so the first thing here, and we haven't tried this yet, but these are the chocolate croissants. So they are, you can see there on the side, they're croissants filled with chocolate. What? Then they sent some pancake on the go, which I think is really awesome. These are ready to eat. You don't have to heat them up or anything, and they're individually wrapped. So this is going to definitely be Christopher's, and I know he's going to love them. And then we have the crepes, y'all. Now these are so good. This is the chocolate hazelnut, and oh my goodness, so yummy, so good. There were 4 different flavors. This is the chocolate hazelnut crunch. So basically it's the exact same thing, but it says it has crispy cereal balls. I didn't open this one because I had tried one of the other. And then this is a caramel filled whipped. Now this had the crispy cereal balls as well. This I tried, and oh my goodness, y'all, this was so good. So good. And then the final item they sent, and my favorite that I've tried, also crepes, but these are the strawberry crepes, and you guys, these are like a smooth, not really jelly, not really jam, somewhere in the middle of a jam or a jelly. Just delicious. No artificial flavoring to me, no artificial taste to me at all. Oh, and it says no artificial flavors or colors, no GMOs, no high fructose corn syrup. So you can't feel too guilty about eating it. It's just, oh my gosh, so delicious. And the best part, y'all, all of the crepes are individually wrapped. So the pancakes are individually wrapped. The chocolate croissants are individually wrapped. Now everything else is not individually wrapped, but the snacks, like the pancakes, the crepes, the chocolate croissants, they're all individually wrapped. And I'm just telling you, y'all, you need to go to their website. I'll put a link down below. Check out everything they offer. This is the second video I have lost an earring. Same earrings. I don't know what's going on. Now I will put, like I said, the link down below for their website. I'm not sure that they didn't send me almost one of everything, but definitely check it out. If you love bread and you love brioche, you are going to love Bakerly, I promise. So the link and everything will be in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like brioche? Do you, one thing I do want to say, because I know some people may be like, oh, I don't know about ordering bread and having it delivered. How fresh is it going to be? Y'all, it is super fresh. And it even, I mean, they give you the best buy date on all of the items. And I've had these for probably a week, and they all have best if used by like December 17th. So still have almost 3 weeks to go. And it is just as fresh as it can be. Like, it's as fresh as if they just like made it in a bakery yesterday or today. Like, it is that good and that fresh. So that's not something you need to be concerned about if you are thinking of ordering. So anyway, like I said, link will be in the description. Let me know what you thought. Thank you so very much to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. And guys, just being here, watching the videos, commenting. I love hearing from y'all and having you a part of our YouTube family. So thank you so much for that. I love y'all. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.